In the current education system, 90% of the students do not reach their full potential in academics. Shocking, isn't it? Yet, that's the stark reality of the traditional education system. It's a system that recognizes the individuality of each student, their unique learning abilities, cognitive functions, personal management styles, language associations, habits, and circumstances. Yet still applies a one-size-fits-all solution. Imagine a classroom with one teacher, one set of study material, and a multitude of unique, individual learners. The student is left alone in navigating this journey to reach their full potential. Now picture a different scenario. A scenario where diverse students learn towards the same outcome but with unique, personalized learning paths. That's where Domain E comes in. Domain E has developed a system and process to ensure that each student reaches their personal best. The learning journey starts with expertly curated learning videos based on the student's learning and language predispositions. This is the first level of introduction to learning, personalized to the individual student. A personal manager then creates a timetable and academic roadmap for the student. The manager not only plans and manages the academics of the student but also follows up and adjusts the plan as needed. The student, guided by this plan, embarks on their journey, taking standardized assessments and evaluations as per their objectives. Even the best-laid paths require the right mindset and attitude to navigate. A specialized academic mindset manager ensures that the student stays on their chosen path. But not everything comes easily to every student. Some areas require an evolved and deeper personalization strategy. An expert helps the student with evolving strategies based on performance analysis from the student's assessments. All these elements come together in one smooth, integrated program with Domain E. The student is then prepared to take on their target exam with utmost confidence. So, in summary, Domain E offers a personalized learning approach that considers the individuality of each student and provides a tailored learning path. Thus, it integrates expert curation, personal management, academic mindset coaching, and performance-based strategy evolution into a comprehensive program. This approach ensures that each student is not just another face in the crowd, but a unique learner on a path to their personal best. This approach is on course to revolutionize education. It's not to move away from the traditional, one-size-fits-all approach but to expand the existing learning systems to help a student reach their personal best.